So I think this is where the oil went, poured down onto the warriors down below trying to storm the castle. And they had the cauldrons here, full of fire, get ready. And these, I believe, are torch holders here. And if you needed to go to the john or the bathroom, you didn't want to do it, didn't want to waste time pouring oil. So if you wanted to pee, you could do it here. And if you wanted to go otherwise, you sit down here on the throne, read a newspaper, wave hi to all your friends. And that is a tower. And of course we're in Dubrovnik, walking the castle walls.